After launching Muse Spark in April 2026, Meta is ready to take on image generation by Muse Image, its first AI image model created by Meta Superintelligence Labs. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Muse Image can generate images in a wide variety of formats and styles, and understands conversational prompts to make asking for changes simple. Meta also claims Muse Image can be prompted to generate a functional QR code, and that text it produces in images comes out legible. The new model will power a variety of features across Meta's apps, but in Meta AI, it's primarily focused on image generation and editing. You can use a series of presets to start editing or generating an image, or the Ideas tab in the app's image editor to prompt further tweaks. Meta will even let you draw and write on a photo to indicate what you want Muse Image to change. Like Google, Meta is connecting its new AI model to its other services. You can take a picture of your room and ask Meta AI to redecorate, and it can even pull furniture from listings from the web and Facebook Marketplace. Meanwhile, tagging a friend's Instagram account would add their likeness in a generated image. Outside of the Meta AI app, Muse Image is powering over 30 new effects for Instagram stories. A new interface in Instagram's image editor will let you preview these effects before you apply them, and Meta says you can also prompt an entirely new edit if you're not happy with its built-in effects. These Muse Image abilities are also available via chat with Meta AI in WhatsApp. Using Muse Image is free for everyday creation, with the option to generate even more images with a paid Meta One subscription. Muse Image is available in the Meta AI app, Instagram, and WhatsApp in the US to start, with more countries and Meta products to come. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.